I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
He did the mash.
He did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
He did the mash.
He did the monster mash.
From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast, the ghouls all came from their humble abodes to catch a jolt from my
They
electrodes.
did the mash.
They did the monster
The
mash.
monster mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
did the mash.
It caught on in a
They
flash.
did the mash.
They did the monster mash.
the zombies were having fun. The
The
party had just begun. The guests included Wolfman, Dracula, and his son. Nice guy, works for LabCorp.
Out from his coffin, Drax's voice did ring. Seems he was troubled by just one thing. He opened the lid and shook his fist and said, "Whatever happened to my Transylvanian trip?"
It's now the mash.
It's now the monster
The
mash.
monster mash.
It is a graveyard smash.
Now the mash.
It caught on in a
It's
flash.
now the mash.
It's now the monster mash.
Now everything's cool, Drax a part of the band. My monster mash is the hit of the land. For you, the living, the bells will went too. When you get to the door, tell them Boris
Then
sent
you
you.
can mash.
Then you can monster
The
mash.
monster mash.
In my graveyard
Then you
smash.
can mash.
You'll catch on in a flash.
Then you can mash.
Then you can monster mash.
Oh,
Do I really have to wait 12 hours to eat anything? I do. Okay. You're gonna take it from the neck. That's different. I haven't had that. I haven't had that before.
The monster mash.